हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द न्यू चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 13, एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज कंजंक्शंस. कंजंक्शंस जिनको हम जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स भी बोलते हैं. तो चलिए जानते हैं कंजंक्शन के बारे में. कंजंक्शन इज अ वर्ड दैट जॉइन वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस. इट परफॉर्म्स नो अदर फंक्शन. कंजंक्शन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड लिंकर्स और कनेक्टर्स. कंजंक्शन को हम लिंकर्स और कनेक्टर भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये दो वर्ड्स या फ्रेजेस या सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करता है. ओके. नाउ यूज ऑफ सम इंपॉर्टेंट कंजंक्शन, जैसे कि कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट कंजंक्शन जैसे एंड हो गया, बट हो गया, और हो गया. नाउ स्टडी द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस केयरफुली. अब आपको यहाँ पर कुछ सेंटेंसेस दे रखे हैं. लेट्स रीड देम. अंजलि वेंट टू द मार्केट एंड बॉट अ साड़ी. ओके. वी स्टेड एट होम एंड वॉच क्रिकेट मैच. द ट्रेन वॉज फुली पॉक्ड. Students, ये packed होगा. Okay, the train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seats. Okay, I tried my best, but I didn't succeed. You must be bold, or you will not be able to face the world. Shall we walk, or do you want to take a bus? Okay. फर्स्ट वन, वी यूज एंड टू ज्वाइन सिमिलर फैक्ट्स और स्टेटमेंट. हम एंड का यूज करते हैं ताकि हम ज्वाइन कर सके सिमिलर फैक्ट्स और स्टेटमेंट को. जैसे कि द डोर वाज ओपन एंड माय थिंग्स वर लाइंग स्कैटर्ड. आई ले इन बेड एंड वेंट टू स्लीप. ओके, नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 2, वी यूज बट टू एक्सप्रेस अपोजिशन और कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिटवीन टू स्टेटमेंट. दो स्टेटमेंट के बीच में अपोजिशन और कॉन्ट्रास्ट बताने के लिए हम बट का यूज करते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, द अर्थक्वेक वाज क्वाइट सीवियर बट द टेंपल वाज नॉट डैमेज्ड. आई ट्राइड माय बेस्ट बट आई डिडंट सक्सीड. ओके, नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 3, वी यूज और टू एक्सप्रेस अ चॉइस बिटवीन टू ऑल्टरनेटिव. के बीच में चॉइस बताने के लिए हम और का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैन यू डू इट योरसेल्फ और डू यू नीड एनी हेल्प. यू कैन पे कैश और यू कैन गिव अ बैंक ड्राफ्ट. ओके, यू कैन डू ईदर ऑफ द टू, पे कैश और गिव द बैंक ड्राफ्ट. Now next is so, because, result or cause. Okay, study the following sentences carefully. He did not report in time, so he was not selected. She did not study properly, so she failed. They had lost the key, so they broke open the door. Okay, the baby is crying because it is hungry. There were no buses because the drivers were on strike. I prefer to live in Shimla because the climate of the hills suit me. Okay. Now compare these two sentences. He looked for her, so he married her. He liked her. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर ये लुक नहीं, लाइक्ड होगा. ठीक है. ही लाइक्ड हर सो ही मैरिड हर. ही लाइक्ड हर बिकॉज शी वाज वेरी सिंसियर. ओके, तो एक तो आपको सो यहाँ पर क्या बता रहा है, सो आपको बता रहा है रिजल्ट. ओके, दैट ही लाइक्ड हर सो ही मैरिड हर. ओके, दूसरा आपको क्या बता रहा है, दूसरा आपको रीजन दे रहा है कि वाई ही लाइक्ड हर. ही लाइक्ड हर बिकॉज शी वाज वेरी सिंसियर. ओके, नाउ बिफोर गोइंग फर्दर देयर इज अ नोट. सो सजेस्ट द रिजल्ट ऑफ समथिंग. सो जो है वो रिजल्ट बताता है. बिकॉज सजेस्ट द रीजन ऑफ समथिंग, बिकॉज रीजन देता है. ओके. Now the next is so that purpose. Study the following sentences carefully. Stand still so that I can brush your hair. I stayed back home so that my grandfather might not feel lonely. They advertised on television so that they could improve their sales. Take an umbrella. Take an umbrella lest you should be caught in rain. The words in bold letters suggest purpose. ये क्या suggest कर रहे हैं? Purpose suggest कर रहे हैं. The purpose of staying back home, my grandfather might not feel lonely. Okay, the purpose of taking an umbrella, you don't get caught in rain. Okay. Now compare. Here you can see they advertised on television. ये purpose के form में, so that their sales might improve. Okay. They advertised on television because their sales were going down. ये reason दे रहा है आपको. Okay. Next one, they advertised on television so their sales went up. Okay, ये result दे रहा है. She wanted to get a job so that she could support her parents. ये आपको purpose दे रहा है. She wanted to get a job because she wasn't doing well on business. ये आपको reason दे रहा है. She wanted to get a job so she applied to the number of banks. ये आपको result दे रहा है. Okay. Now the next one is although. Although यानी कि concession और contrast. Study the following sentences carefully. Although it was very cold, he went out without a coat. Although it is an old car, it doesn't need much repair. An old car should need regular repair, but this one doesn't. Okay, इसको नहीं चाहिए. Okay, contrast form में ये. The teacher didn't give me full marks even though there was no mistake in my answer. There was no mistake, but the teacher didn't give full marks. That is a contrast one. I won't accept this job even if they offer double the salary. The salary might be double. Still, I won't accept this job. This is also the contrast. Okay. Now, before going further, there is a note. We use though type conjunction to suggest the contrast. ताकि हम contrast को suggest करें. Okay. Now, next is if. Which is the condition one. Say the following sentences carefully. I will read the book if I get it. You will be given a permanent job if your work is satisfactory. So if जो है वो suggest करे the condition under which you will be given a permanent job. Okay. Now the next one is if such heavy rain continue, all these villages will be flooded. Okay, if suggests the condition under which these villages will get flooded. Okay, तो if जो है वो condition suggest कर रहा है कि under which these villages will get flooded. Okay, now before going further there is a note, we use if type conjunction to suggest condition. If जो है हम use करते हैं to suggest the condition. Okay, now the next one is when, where, as, time, place और manner. When हम time के लिए use करते हैं, where place के लिए, और as हम manner के लिए. Okay, now study the following sentences carefully. Turn off the gas as soon as water starts boiling. Okay, when to turn off the gas as soon as the water starts water starts to boil. Okay, the driver lost control when he was taking a left turn. When did the driver lose control? When he was taking the left turn. Okay, she found her bag where she had left it in the shop. Okay, where she found her bag? Where she had left in the shop. Okay, he makes friends wherever he goes. Where does he make friends? Wherever he goes. Okay, this is the place one. Now next is they acted as they had been advised. In what manner did they act? As they had been advised. So this is the advice one. She behaved as if she were angry. ये आपका manner show कर रहा है, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर as आप देख सकते हो. How, on what manner did she behave? As if she were angry. Okay, ये आपका manner suggest कर रहा है. Now next is that, if, whether. Compare these sentences. She told me that she liked the new mathematics teacher. She asked me if or whether I liked the new mathematics teacher. He said that he was quite interested in the proposal. He wondered if Suresh could be interested in the proposal. Okay. I hope student that you understood this chapter. और आपका homework है कि आपको इसकी following exercise को complete करना है. Now I'm going to meet you in another class. Till then students, bye bye.